I fell in love with rap back when you didn't need an image to have a career. The music was for anyone who was willing to seek it out. And where I'm from, in Dover, New Hampshire, you really had to work to seek it out back in the 80s. Getting mixtapes recorded off the pirate radio station from guys like Prophet G. I can remember going to Tape World inside the Fox Run Mall and having to ask if they even carried any rap. They never knew that someday it would be my music the kids were asking for. My song, Business Truck, was a hit. Went to number 81 on the charts. Even got to hear Rick D say my name on the radio for 2 weeks. And some folks have tried to say it was Shadow Stevens, but I know the truth. These kids, these rappers and influencers or whatever, they never had to work for it. They never had to work for hip-hop and its shows. And the lack of respect for the art and the way that they use it as a vehicle to become an actor. They don't love rap like I love rap. I love my rap like I love my daughter. I created them both. I've built my world around both. My daughter even left her own career to come work for my label. That's family. That's loyalty. And they're the only things in my life that have never let me down. I'm Fortunato Falcon. Welcome to Dover, and welcome to
Granite Records.